Welcome back to another quick video. Pulled my rims out of storage. They were stored together, face to face. There's a strap over top, so I have no idea what did this. I've been racking my brain, and I have absolutely no idea. These are Camaro SS factory painted wheels, so it's nothing to do with Camaro paint quality. It has nothing to do with absolutely anything other than something marked them in storage during transportation. I have no idea. They were fine when I opened up the trailer, so I thought everything was fine. Obviously not the case. Obviously I'm going to have to reassess what I'm doing, so I wanted a quick fix, something that would start a conversation about something else. So this is what I've done. These are Band-Aid stickers. This, whoa, is way too big. Oh. When in doubt, get your driver's license out. That looks like a pretty good fix. So that's how to fix your rim scratch for the entire cost of about 80 cents. Band-Aid stickers now available through me.